Okay, let's talk about something frustrating, but so common on YouTube. You upload a video, it starts getting views right away, and you're feeling good about this. Maybe even a little hyped, and then boom, 48 hours later, and it's like YouTube hit the brakes. The views dry up, and you're wondering what just happened. Now, if this has happened to you more than once, don't freak out just yet. You're not broken. Your channel is not broken. Your video is not garbage, and your channel is not cursed. Okay? This is actually a thing, a pattern that YouTube runs at times, and you probably got caught in that cycle. Once you understand what's going on behind the scenes, of course, you're going to stop taking it personally and start working smarter. Stick with me until the end because I'm going to walk you through exactly what's really happening, why your views keep drying up, and how to revive those videos without starting from scratch. Are you ready? All right. First, let's break down what's really going on. Every time that you post a video, listen carefully, YouTube puts it through a test phase. That means the algorithm shows your video to a small sample group of people first. Usually it's a mix of your subscribers and people who have watched content similar to yours. But these people don't follow you just yet. YouTube's watching their behavior super closely. Do they click? Do they stay longer than 30 seconds? Do they comment and engage? Do they like your video, or do they just watch another video on your channel? Do they also watch another video on your channel? This little group of people is the test crowd, and they're the ones deciding what happens to your videos next. If they engage well, if they watch and stick around, YouTube thinks, oh, okay, people like this video. And that's when YouTube starts sharing it with more and more people. That's when you see the views start growing. All right. But if they ignore the thumbnail, that is the potential viewers. If they ignore the thumbnail or they click and bounce before the first 15 seconds, YouTube says, that's so good. And it then pulls back. That's why your views are dropping like a rock. And here's the kicker. Sometimes it's not because the video is bad. It's because the wrong people saw it first. Now I've got to keep it real with you though. If your channel is smaller or newer, you're more likely to have this problem more often than not. Big channels don't get hit as hard as smaller channels do because YouTube already knows who their audience is. But for small or inconsistent channels, every new upload is a wild guess to the algorithm. So what do you do when your video flops after 48 hours? I know you want to know the answer. First, do not delete it. Don't cry about it, and definitely don't think that you're failing either, because I'm about to give you 5 solid ways to wake that video back up and get it working for you again. Tip number 1, add SEO boosting timestamps. Let me explain what I mean by this. If your video has chapters or timestamps, like tip number 1, tip number 2, you're missing an opportunity. So go back into that video and rework your timestamps using keywords that match your niche and match that specific video. Instead of step 1, say how to grow your channel fast or best YouTube tags for 2025. These little SEO breadcrumbs give YouTube way more information to work with, and it tells the algorithm exactly who should see your video. You understand that? And this change alone can help your video get picked back up by the search or suggested. Tip number 2, refresh your video. Let's say your video is how to make money online. Go back to that video and update the title and thumbnail to say something like best ways to make money online in 2025 as an affiliate. Just adding the year and being specific makes it feel new and timely. And that's what the algorithm loves. YouTube loves fresh content, and this triggers a little micro test from the algorithm. Especially if you're talking about, let's say, trends, tech, travel, or seasonal topics. Go back and give it a tiny facelift. You'll be shocked how often this works. Now let's move on to tip number 3, which is re-edit the hook and re-upload the video. I know this sounds like a lot of work, I know, but trust me, it could be the only thing holding your video back from being seen by thousands of people. Most viewers drop off in the first 15 seconds of watching your video, just in case you didn't know. And that's the danger zone. So if your views died, rewatch your introduction and see. Be brutally honest with yourself about it. Was it interesting enough to you? Did it hook people fast enough? If not, re-edit that opening and re-upload the video. Same content, just better packaging and a new first impression by the people who are going to view it. You can even change the thumbnail and the title as well. And no, you don't have to delete the old video. Just unlist it if you want to keep it around. Tip number 4, link your videos into a path. Let me explain this one. This one is being slept on. If your viewers are watching your just one video and leaving your channel, YouTube won't keep recommending your content. You have to help the algorithm to build a pattern. Here's what you're going to do. Go into your best performing videos and update the top comment and description to recommend your dying video. Say something like, hey, if you liked this video, watch this one next. It'll blow your mind. Put that in the pinned comment section. Then add end screens and info cards pointing to the same video. Boom. Now you've created a watch path, and YouTube sees your content as a mini journey to the viewer instead of a one-off video that they watch and leave. Tip number 5, link your shorts to your long form. This is something that I do every single week. If I post a long form video, I make 2 to 5 shorts from that one video. Then I go back and link each short to the full video. Why? Because when people engage with your shorts, YouTube automatically recommends the linked long form content. This is so powerful, and a lot of creators are not using this strategy. You can even use tools like vidIQ to auto clip your full video into multiple shorts. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You already have the long form video. That's multiple doors leading to one video. It multiplies your traffic without extra work. I will leave a link to vidIQ in the description. Now, here's a bonus strategy. And I mentioned this one previously, but it's so important that I want to revisit it again in more detail. I always say, if your video died, look at your intro first. The first 15 to 30 seconds or more, or make or break. If people bounce too soon, YouTube assumes that your video is boring, has no value, and they stop recommending it. So take time to analyze what you said. Were you clear? Did you open with a question or bold statement or something controversial? Did you show value right away in the first 30 seconds? Your introduction should make someone stop scrolling instantly. If it doesn't, you have to redo it. Put some promises in. And next time you film, make that hook your number one priority. And here's a pro tip. Make sure to add several transitional loops from one pointer to the next. I will go into that some more in another video. Listen carefully. If your video died after 48 hours, it doesn't mean you failed. It means YouTube didn't know who to send it to just yet. But with the right tweaks that I mentioned, better hooks, cliffhangers, loops, keyword-packed timestamps, timely refreshes, and strategic links. By doing all of these things, you can put that video right back into the game. And that is exactly what you want to do, right? Most of my videos that perform well didn't go viral in 48 hours. They grew over time. You don't need instant virality to win. So don't put that pressure on yourself. If you want more of this kind of content, let me help you build this. If you're serious about making this YouTube thing or journey or platform work for you long term, and especially if you want to monetize beyond the AdSense program, check out my Ultimate Creator Income Workshop bundle that I built just for creators like you who are ready to turn content into real money. There's a link in the description. You can go grab it. Use the code 24hours and you will get $10 off. Inside the bundle, you will receive 3 workshop video modules, nearly 2 hours of premium training covering 15 proven revenue streams outside AdSense. Then there are 3 audio modules that you can listen to on the go in your car, podcast style. It also includes a full workshop ebook, the entire training in written form for quick reference. I also added in an exclusive creator income workbook, which has a 90-day roadmap and guided exercises. If you're really serious about turning your YouTube channel into a business this year or next year, this bundle doesn't just teach you how. It gives you the tools to actually do it. Not ready yet? Well, start using the tips that I gave you in this video. Just start small, revisit your old videos, make those tweaks, practice writing better hooks and loops. Ask ChatGPT for help. Everything adds up. This is a long game, but it's a winnable one. Oh, and don't forget to drop a comment and let me know which tip you're going to try first. I want to hear from you. And if this video helped you, hit that like button so that we can reach more people stuck in that post 48-hour slump. Subscribe and turn on that notification bell and check out the video up on the top of the screen right now. YouTube thinks it's perfect for you, so they're recommending it. Go watch it, and I'm betting you that they are right. Now let's grow together. Thanks for watching. Take care.